Okay, so we have a question here, ladies and gentlemen, falling under the symbol pendulum, which says it takes 13.8 seconds for a pendulum to swing from S to R and back at Q. What is the period of the pendulum? Alright, now for us to find the period of pendulum, what we need to take into consideration, here is what we need. Okay, we need n, which is the number of complete oscillations. We also need t, which is the time taken. This one we know, it is 13.8 seconds, and your time should be in seconds. So now when we look at this equation, so the pendulum, the bob swings from S to R. A swing from S to R, it makes half oscillation. And once it comes back to S, it means it has made a complete oscillation. Now, if from S to R is half, what of, let's say, from S to Q, or from Q to R, or just from R to Q, or just from Q to S, it is half of half. What is half of half? Quarter. So this is a quarter oscillation. And from there to there, it's a half. So we need to add them together, which will give us 3 quarters. So this is the number of complete oscillations that we need. Beautiful, right? Let's now find the period. Yeah, we have everything. Period is given by the time taken, you divide it by the number of complete oscillation. That's how we do it. So what's the time taken? 13.8 seconds. Then here we have, now what is 3 over 4? 0.75. I just divided this to give us a decimal number, such that we can now divide the two, and the period is giving me 18.4. As I read seconds, small letter s, please, not capital letter s, but small letter s. Yeah, eventually that is what this question wanted you to do. Take note, the only key thing here, if you are given time, that means they want you to work a little bit, and that is to find the number of complete oscillation. And once you know how to go about it, then you are good to go. Just subscribe, please, and follow for more. Meanwhile, join my affordable and reliable online classes. You won't regret.